feel like I'm riding in a war zone. I'm a tourist and I want to visit and see the sights of New Orleans by bike. So is New Orleans bike friendly? People say yes, but it really depends on where you want to go here in New Orleans. New Orleans has been designated a bicycle-friendly city by the League of American Bicyclists. It does have 100 miles of installed bikeways, and New Orleans does have plenty of bike rental shops, and they also have themed bike tours to choose from. Some of them are pretty fun. And I like it when a city offers a bike share program, and they do here. And it's called Blue Bikes. Before you come to New Orleans, just download the Blue Bikes app and set it up, put your credit card in there, and then when you get here, you just scan over the QR code on the top of the bike. They have a map to tell you where each bike is located, and you should be ready to go. Very easy, and it's very convenient if you're riding within the Blue Zone. So if you're visiting New Orleans, you want to ride your bikes in the French Quarter, the Garden District, along the Mississippi River. The Bywater District is super colorful, and City Park. New Orleans is flat. It's a great way to explore. So let's go riding. So far it's a pretty bad thing. All we're trying to do is get from the French Quarter to the Garden District. You're on a conventional bike lane and it turns into a shared bike lane with the cars. So then there is this major highway that you have to figure out how to cross over safely to get to the Garden District from the French Quarter. It's not fun. You gotta do it. This particular trail, the Mississippi River Trail, it's a rail trail, which is cool. You can ride along the levee overlooking the Mississippi River. It goes 20 miles direct, and then it breaks up, and then it picks up for another 60 straight miles. When you look around New Orleans, I do see a high percentage of bike commuters. In the French Quarter, there's lots of people, and there are few bike lanes, and the streets are very, very uneven. In the Garden District, it's quieter neighborhood streets, but again, the roads are full of potholes and uneven pavement. You would have to rent a certain kind of bike. I was going to bring my Brompton city bike here, but I hesitated just because of the way the roads are. So mainly the bikes that you can rent here are big beach bikes. That's what I've found. A lot of them are electric, but the big beach bikes are heavy duty. The wheels are huge, and they help cushion your bumpy ride. These roads are pretty horrible. It's like I'm in a war zone riding. They really need some street improvement. It's up and down, super bumpy potholes. There were roads that were smooth, but they were not a lot of roads where we biked. And these are the areas that you would want to visit if you were coming to New Orleans. Okay, we took the Lafitte Greenway bike path from the French Quarter all the way to City Park, and now we're going to do a loop around City Park. There's all kinds of bike trails around City Park. A lake, art museum, sculpture garden, and other incredible things to see in this park. Would you not come to New Orleans and ride your bike? Of course not. It's so much fun here. It's an incredible city. Hope to see you riding.